try to remove this quarter-sized dent on the hood of a Honda Accord. It's a fairly sharp dent. We're not going to use glue pulling. We're just going to use the traditional method of doing this dent repair, which is pushing the damage out from the other side. Let's take a look and see how it comes out. The next step is the wet sanding method, and what that does is it removes any little blemishes caused by the tool. It just helps the damage just blend in a little bit more. So as you can tell, we were able to remove that quarter-sized dent on the hood of this Honda Accord. Came out pretty good. Saved this customer some money on body work. Look us up, fixititnow.com.